Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Honda CR-V Hybrid EX in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sunroof, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90439A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.